All right, so let's talk about using AI in our Power Automate flows. With Power Automate, we have the AI Hub, which we can use to make our Power Automate flows more intelligent by adding AI capabilities to it. To view the AI Hub, you just need to click on the AI Hub tab, and that should load up the AI Hub for you. It's going to give you a moment to load up. Great. Starts loading up a bit slowly. Not sure why. Shouldn't be that slow. Anyways. Okay, good. So we've got the AI Hub page loaded up now. Um, what noting is that to use the AI Hub, you need to create an AI Builder account, and that's charged separately. Again, if you work for an organization that has got Microsoft 365, you can maybe speak to your license manager or IT department and see if they can get you um, an account. And if not, you can always subscribe to the 30 days free trial, and then you should be able to get immediate access to the AI hub and use the capabilities or features in there. Okay, so first from the screen, you can see all the description here, just telling you what the hub does. If I scroll to the right, I can see all the stuff that I can do. I can see prompts. I can see the prompts feature which says select a preview prompt or make a custom one of your own. So that's a prompt builder. There's also the AI models. There's the document automation part. So depending on what you want to do. In this also down here, there's learning resources, so YouTube videos basically, and you can watch them and just learn more about the AI Hub. So in this video, I we want to analyze invoices that are sent to us, right? And for that purpose, I have created a bunch of invoices. One second, I'm just gonna open that up. Okay, so this is invoice one. So I've created this invoice, right? That I want to show the AI model and see if it can kind of analyze this data and extract meaningful information from it. Um, Trust me, this is not a real invoice, in case you think it's a real invoice. Just in case anyone was thinking that. Anyways, good to know. So the first thing I'm going to do is I will show you how the AI model works, or how it analyzes, how we can analyze an invoice. And then we're going to build a Power Automate flow whereby if a vendor sends us, so I would assume we are going to assume we're working for an organization that receives invoice from vendors. So we want to build a Power Automate flow whereby when a vendor sends us an invoice via email, um, Power Automate would extract that invoice from the attachment, give it to the AI model. The AI model is gonna analyze that invoice and extract the customer name, the due date, the amounts due, and any other information you want to get from there. That's gonna input that information into like a log, so maybe an Excel sheet or a SharePoint list or wherever you want to log that information. And then as a second step or a second process would be to then use that list to generate approvals to maybe the finance manager, where they can just at a glance see all the information that they need and approve that invoice. So we're trying to basically create sort of like an invoice processing workflow instead of people manually opening each invoice or each email, downloading the invoices and then reading through the invoices. So again, from the first step, I want to show you the AI model. So let's start with the AI models. So with the AI models, I've just clicked on that. You can see some of the popular AI models that we have. So prompts. So this one, we've got this one, extract custom information from documents. There's extract information from invoice, extract all the text in photos and PDF documents, so OCR. So there's different predict future outcomes from historical data. So that's also another model that you can use. So you can use the models as is, or you can basically create custom models from the base. So if you feel like this model isn't really what you want exactly, but it's got maybe some of the stuff that you need, you can then create a custom model, train a new model, and then publish the model to be used. In this case, we want to do just extracting invoice or extracting information from invoice. So I'm going to click the invoice. I'm going to click that one, and you can see this is a sample invoice that has been given, and you can see all the information that the AI model was able to extract from it, like customer address, customer ID, customer name, due dates, invoice ID, and the rest, which is good, and that's what we're actually looking for. So let's upload our own invoice and see what it's going to do from that. So I'm just going to go to downloads. I'm going to click on this one, invoice one, and upload that. And let's see how much information we can get from that. Right, great. So from that invoice, it was able to extract the amount due, right? The billing address recipient, right? I was able to get the customer name, which is Fajitech, right? Invoice date, invoice ID. I was able to get the vendor name too, which is Ogwats. And he was able to get the line items, which is the magic cost, which costs $2,000, which is not too bad for a magic cost. Yeah, so good. So we now know that the extracting information from invoice works, and it basically can get everything that we need. So we don't need to create a custom model. We can use the pre-built model. So we can use the pre-built model in a flow or use it in an app. So Power App, which we've not discussed so far. But yeah, so that's what I just wanted to show you. So we're going to go now to the next stage that I said, where we create Power Automate flow to automate our invoice processing. Okay. Thank you, and see you in the next lesson.